Okay, I'll speak up so you can hear. But as I said in my previous video, I'm all caught up. So just doing some ideas that I had in the shop today, and this was one of them. And like on the cardboard one, I was told to show how I did everything. So I did this in steps. So when you're buying buffing systems on for your lathe, they can get expensive, and this right here, what I did, basically didn't cost me anything. I already had all thread. What you're doing is you're making this. So I keep sticks of all thread in my shop. So the first thing I did is I chopped the all thread into one foot sections, and then rounded off both the ends, and then I used a 3/32 drill bit to tap the end. Okay. At the 6-inch mark, I went 2 sections with my what do you call it? It's auto body marking tape, and I brought it up to the thickness of the inside of the, oh crap, I left it over there. Be right back. I don't want to start over. Okay. These are a 1/2 inch hole on these. I bought this 4-piece set on Amazon for $20, and comes with the different grits to use for buffing. So anyway, back to it. So you just get that tightened up. I use the drill for everything from working in hanging using all thread. So put it on, push it down there where it's tight, put your other washer on, get this one started. Go ahead and take the other end of your drill, tighten it up, hold on to it. Lock it down. -16 inches. Get it nice and tight. Put the drill back on the end that you tapped. Get your block, where I cut these out at 2 3/4, and since I still had the center marked hole in it, it was easy for the drill press to drill the 3/8. There you go. Bob's your uncle on that, as my English buddy says. Yeah, I'm going to put that there. I'll move this one here. And you can see I got this one already on there. Works perfect. Because normally you're already going to have the jaw chuck on there anyway, so yeah, might as well just take whatever you're working on and it's ready to buff. All right, thanks. God bless.